Storyboarding is commonly the domain of movie makers, but it is a highly effective technique for just about any objective you have in group process work, from systems mapping to creative problem solving. But what is storyboarding and what are the key elements? Storyboarding is a graphic layout that sequences illustrations and images with the purpose of visually telling a story or describing a process or experience. The key elements of the storyboard include a clear starting and ending point. It is ordered by numbers, steps, or by time. It has an image, which could be an action sketch, a model, a diagram, or a metaphor. It has corresponding text, which could be a description of the action, or characters, or the dialogue. And it has a name or a title. If you want to learn more about why storyboarding is such an amazing group process technique, and when and how to use it, check out the other Traction Toolbox videos on this process.